Yeah, g'day guys. I'm just going to show you a quick case study on how Phoenix Reloaded has really changed, and there's been an absolute game changer in terms of where we were in March last year and the changes that we've done to the Phoenix method and where we are now in, at the beginning of 2022. And I'm going to show you so basically Phoenix 2.0 was released in March, and I showed results on how I did $50,000 in February, and now I'm going to show you the huge difference that's now this revised method has really changed, been a game changer in the last 8-9 months, or 10 months I should say. So essentially I'm just going to quickly show you. So this is just a very good converting opt-in page here, and then what we actually do is that we've been able to revise offers, revise what the offers we were promoting, something that's attractive. Obviously you want a good quality product behind it as well, and then you promote that offer, and obviously we've been able to convert these offers based on the swipes. For example, there's three swipes down in the bonus area for you for Phoenix Reloaded, and they're just examples of what we do use on a day-to-day basis. And basically how we go about it is, we just get a simple opt-in page like this, and then what we do is we just get a sequential rotator, and I just not long refresh this, but a sequential rotator with two converting offers on it, so they just rotate. So every time someone opt-ins, they go straight to a different rotate, to a different link, and it's like a sequential. So so every time someone new clicks on it, they go to it, and even sometimes if they click on it again, which more often it doesn't happen, they can actually go to another offer, because sometimes one offer may not be the offer that they're looking for, or the product that they're looking for, or the solution, and then they move on to another area where move on to another offer that's maybe more inclined for them, and they're willing to purchase that offer. And then obviously when they purchase, that means commissions for you. So with that being said, I'll just quickly delete that, and then basically I'm going to show the difference. So this is what happened in February last year. You had a whole range of different offers, very good converting as well. And then I'm going to show you the huge difference in when you could be able to implement the reloaded, the rehoned version of it all, and being able to really move forward. And we literally doubled our results. And you would have already seen this on the VSL before you purchased Phoenix Reloaded, but this is what leads to being able to finding really good offers, being able to be cleaning your list, having really good converting swipes, and being able to connect and build your own audience using this simple basically offer distribution method. And this just allows you to continue rotating offers and being able to really smash and start generating some solid results. And then so basically what we've done too is, for you guys within this, we've got really two good converting offers, and we're going to give you guys bumps on both of those offers, so you guys can just get started straight away. And we know what it's like in order to get bumped. Some people can't afford it, and some people can't. So basically, not like it's in the license rights, we're going to give you two of our older offers that do convert, and you guys will be able to start getting that in straight away, because we know what it's like. So what happens, when they go to here, they go to your email list, and for example, I use Aweber, so I'm just going to jump into Aweber really quickly. And then you go to, for example, you go to the dashboard and see, as a moment, I've got over 63,000 my list, and not everyone's got a list that size, just full transparency, but being able to generate that list. So if you go, let's say I started out with $50 in my pocket, and being able to scale using this method over and over and over and over again, and being able to make sales with this method, even from the very start of the Phoenix method, when they started from version 1, this has grown into being a really solid, and then you can continue to improve it. You can put your own twist on it, And it's really is an adaptable method within affiliate marketing, or even if it's a side hustle, if you're trying to make sure cash online, or you're trying to start an online business, this is a great way of being able to go about that and get started. So, and then they come to the list, and then we send them some messages. We send them a messages probably like, 2 to 3, 4 times a day. It really depends. I don't go any more than 4. So as you can see here, open rates and all that. So, they go here. I send out emails as well on top of what you get on the follow-up. And then they have different ones over here. So the least that's where they go. I've sent, obviously I've got to send out a significant amount of clicks. But this is how basically using this method has generated these results, and how to generate thousands and thousands of sales in the last 30 days. So it really is obviously up to you on how you go about it. I fully recommend it. Start slow, build your way up. There's no need to go gangbusters. We've given you guys access to Breakout Reloaded Little Black Book, which is our most up-to-date quality traffic sources. These guys have been tested. You get real people into your list. You get real results. Sales do come from these providers. They're not fake. There's no bots involved. And it really does mitigate the risk for you if you're doing paid traffic. All right. And obviously, in terms of the ecosystem, we're going to teach you how to basically optimize those leads and being able to really move those leads into a whole new realm for you guys, so you can start obviously really improving the ROI, whether it's a high ticket, whether it's just another offer, you're doing your bonus pages, you can put your bonus pages within to that ecosystem on how we show you, and being able to really replicate the results and duplicate that over and over again daily to start, to bring some solid results. So this is why it's called the 100K case study in Phoenix, because it's, as you can see, it's proven. I do it on a daily. Mark does it on a daily. The guy, he's doing around about 50 to 70,000 a month. I do it better, but at the same time, $50 to $70,000 a month with Mark. He also promotes other offers at 50% commission. So he's losing out there, but he's obviously that's how he operates. So everyone can do it in their own way, in their own method. Obviously, the higher the commissions that you get, or the more commissions that you get, the better. But this is, a really good quality way of being able to generate those results. So guys, I just want to say a massive thank you to checking out this case study on Phoenix Reloaded. In the training, we're going to start going through, how to, the simple steps. We still kept a lot of the tutorials from the previous methods because they are foundational. And we've added in additional tutorials for you guys to really complement what we've done in Phoenix 1 and Phoenix 2. And this is why we've reloaded it. We've added more content, and really there's no excuse for you guys not to succeed with this and get started with it, because obviously if I can do it, and I started out with nothing but $50 in my pocket, anyone can do it as well. So it's just a matter of challenging those limited beliefs. All right, guys. So thanks very much. I'll catch you inside some of the training. Mark will do some training. I'll do some training, and you guys will be able to really start get going. All right, guys. Thank you so much. Have a good one. Enjoy, and I'll see you inside the tutorials. Cheers, guys.